Hi everyone, I am Vidya. Welcome back to my channel Vidya Ka Gyan. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video update. Beautiful sunsets, sunny beaches, the coastlines and the Caribbean feel. Everything about island is so mesmerizing that it could easily qualify for a perfect time out from the hubbub of the city life. So let's check out some of the beautiful islands destination in India that you must visit at least once. Majoli Island. Majoli Island is one of the biggest river island in the world and subsequently in India. The most unique of all islands, this place is famous for breathtaking sunrises and stunning sunsets. You will get a fair taste of Assami culture here. Out of all the islands of India, this one is the most unconventional one. You will find moss instead of sand on its coast and traditional northeastern cuisine instead of seafood. Divu Island. This small island of India has traces of Portuguese culture infused in it. The architectural beauty and the serenity can stir you to the cereal world. The execute beaches and tropical seafood with a dash of Gujarati influence will make it notch different from other islands in India. Diwar Island, enclosed by marshy waters, located onto a beautiful little riverine settlement, Diwar Island lies just across the Mandovi River near Panjim. Boasting of rustic countryside feel, the island has a lively culture just like other part of Goa. St. Mary's Island, also known as Thonspur and Coconut Island. St. Mary's Island is a collection of 4 tiny islands off the coast of Malpe in Udupi, Karnataka. One of the distinct features of this island is the basaltic rock formation that are in hexagon shape and look quite unique. The clean blue waters at the beach are going to charm you. It is believed that Vasco da Gama landed on this island during his expedition to Calicut. Little Andaman Island, an offbeat destination in Andaman Island. Little Andaman Island is an ideal place for you if you don't like to be in crowd. One of the most beautiful island in India, it has mesmerizing beaches with clean sand and turquoise waters. One can also spot a rare marine turtles. The island lies 120 kilometers southward of the Port Blair. Enjoy tranquil beaches, lavish food and drinks, and accommodation at pocket-friendly rates. This island has evergreen rainforest and has a rich biodiversity. Lakshadweep Island. Beautiful Lakshadweep Island is a set of 36 palm-laden coral islands. This is a group of smallest island in India. The extraordinary beauty and fairly untouched environment can beat any amount of stress that you had prior to your visit. It is one of the amazing islands in Indian Ocean. Barren Island, the most easterly island of Andaman, is the only active volcanic island of India and also of South Asia. The astonishing beauty and lava rocks on this beautiful island make it one of the most fascinating islands of India and will certainly take you through a memorable journey. Landing on the shore is prohibited, so you can travel around the island in a broad vessel and indulge in sightseeing as well as water sport. The Great Nicobar Island is the largest island in India and also one of the most beautiful of Indian Ocean islands. Its crystal clear water will tempt you to take a deep and let go of your inhibition. Amazing flora and fauna of this place makes it small world of its own. One of the best island in India, this place is perfect for small vacation. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, do like, do comment, and new viewers, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest video update. You can also follow me on Instagram. Till then, bye friends, see you in the next video.